Hey guys, it's Dr. Patrice here, Cambridge Chiropractic. Welcome to the office. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. So here we go. Here is the outside of the office. You'll come through the door here, and many times you will be greeted by Andes, our pup. He loves being here and loves greeting the patients. Up here is our front desk. You'll see Celeste or Kristen working the desk. Over here to our left, we have our whiteboard, which always has some educational thought on it to help stimulate some conversation or help you understand the healing and the work that we do here in the chiropractic office. Up above, you will see various topics that we have going on, be it a quote of the day or our events calendar. We're always doing classes and events here. We use technology to have you check in. So we got these iPads that you get to check in on, and then you'll find our waiting area right here. This room right here is actually rented out to a counselor, so you won't see that door open too much. Kristen is selling some LuLaRoe clothes, but right here is the best room. It is where our massage therapist does her magic. Very relaxing, very peaceful in there. Right here we have our lending library, and down this hall you will find our bathroom. Next, we're going to come into the adjusting area. This is where I make the magic happen. You will see that we got several adjusting tables here. We can have one person laying down, resting, relaxing, waiting for their adjustment while I'm working on someone else. That's why we have multiple tables. And then we also have some massage chairs, as well as you will find the area that we put Andes in. Especially if we have little kids who might be frightened of dogs, just let us know. We're more than happy to put Andes in his pen, and he will hang out there until your child is comfortable or has left. In addition, we have our kids room. So we got lots of toys, but we also have a pediatric adjusting table here in the office so that we can do adjustments in a room that kids feel comfortable in and less threatened. Many times when they go to the doctor, it's a scary experience, and we here at the Cambridge Chiropractic want to make your child's experience the best experience possible. So we actually do a lot of adjusting in this room, either while children are playing or on Ellie, the new adjusting table that we have in here. And finally is my office / our exam room. So I do all the exams in here. You could see all the information we have on the wall. We have a spine, all the books that I have learned from, pictures of my family and my degrees. But the best piece of equipment we have is right here. This is our Insight Subluxation Station. What it allows us to do is take a deeper look into your nervous system and figure out what areas are stressed and why your body's potentially not healing. And after we've done your scan, you get a piece of paper that looks like this. And we go over in your report what areas exactly are strained, which areas are causing you stress, and how long it's going to help take to heal you. And so with all that information gathered, we're able to give you an accurate report, give you some guidelines, and then we're able to monitor your care as you go through our office and be able to do those tests and see those areas where you're improving, those areas where you're not improving, and possibly you might be really close to getting over that hump and getting better, but it doesn't feel like that at the moment, and those scans allow us to see all that is going on. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the office. Make sure you like our Cambridge Chiropractic page on Facebook. We're always happy to answer lots of questions. Give our office a call, and we are happy to schedule you and your family for your chiropractic checkup. Thank you, and have a great day.